Hey, what's up? It's Mike. In today's 2-minute hire how-to, we're talking about the #1 way to use LinkedIn to find your dream job. So look, this is simple, really. It couldn't be any simpler. What I want you to do is think about what your dream job is. Think of the title. What is that title of your dream job? Now search LinkedIn for people doing that job and go on their profile. Look at it. What's it say? The first job is their job, the job that they're doing, your dream job. Don't forget that. Don't worry about that right now. You're going to look at the job before that job. So not the job they have now, but the previous position that they had. All right? Now, once you find out what that is, go get that job. All right? And then once you get that job, you're one step away from your dream job. So it's really not that difficult. And let's say you look at that job and you're like, I don't even know if I can do the job before the job. Well, what's the job before the job before the job? Look 3 down. Go get that job. Worst case scenario is you're 3 or 4 years away from your dream job. Then you got a plan of action. Find out what job you can realistically get on that level and then go after that. Make a plan to get that job. What you do is you figure out what you're doing now, what are the elements of the position that you have now that'll fit nicely into that next job. All right? Recraft your resume, recraft LinkedIn, all of your stuff to make yourself be the perfect candidate for the job before the job. Once you get that job, you're a step away, I'm telling you. That's how you do it. All right, that's it. That'll do it. Hey, I'm Mike, Dynam Recruiting. Have a great day. See you next time.